So guys, we are 10 meters away from the target and we're going to do a test fire. Boom. That was killer. So we need to fix it up and then we'll do another fire. वाह, that was killer, that was awesome. Okay guys, तो अभी हमारे पास जो है 2 कोक के कैन हैं और ये तो बहुत क्लोज से मैं मार रहा हूँ. ट्राई करेंगे कि दोनों कैन एक साथ में छेद कर दें. सो वॉच. And I'm going to show you कि ये कितना powerful है and how strong this stuff is. Watch guys, watch. What the hell? This is how this has to go. Guys, watch this. This is Mako and we're gonna fire this. Watch this guys, watch. Bam! What the hell was that? That was awesome. Man, come on, come on. Was it real? It had the blowback that I haven't seen in years, like, you know. Come on guys, come on. Hey guys, watch. Shit, hell man, this is crazy. So hey guys, as you can see, So guys, watch this. This is PFM16 and I'm going to show you the power of this. This is going to be crazy. Watch it. Watch this, guys. I'm going to just put it on a firing mode and a watch. Bam! That was sick. That's what I'm talking about. And we're gonna fire it. Wow. Guys, look at the power. Look at the power. That's what I'm talking about. When I'm talking about a pellet, this is what I'm talking. Bang! That's what I'm... आपको पसंद आया? ऑर्डर करने के लिए क्या करना है? आपको लिंक दिया हुआ डिस्क्रिप्शन में, उस पर जाइए, उस पर क्लिक करिए, उस पर जाकर के आप वेबसाइट पर ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, आप हमें मेल भी कर सकते हैं airsoftgunindia@gmail.com पे, उस पर जाकर के आप ऑर्डर करिए एंड वी डिलीवर इट ऑल ओवर द कंट्री।